Realme Buds Air Neo, and today we're going to try to set it up and show you how to use it. So now that you've got the Realme Buds Air Neo, what do you do first? Well, let's unbox it. So first you take the cap off, keep it here. The Realme Buds Air Neo is what you're greeted with. We can try to take the plastic cover off and then keep the Buds Air Neo on the side. What else is in the box? Well, let's keep this aside and we'll find a how to use tips. So it'll show you where the touch area is, how to use the LED indicator, how to pair the device for the first time and how to reset. But today I'm going to show you that as well. What else is there? Well, if you look at other things, you get a micro USB cable in it so that you can charge the Realme Buds Air Neo, and a long user guide for each and everything to know about the Realme Buds Air Neo. But today I'm going to be your user guide. So now that you've taken the Realme Buds Air Neo out of the box, we'll try to pair it. So the first thing that you do is bring your smartphone closer. You can use an Android phone or an iOS phone. We are using the Realme X2 Pro here. Now the first thing to remember is turn on Bluetooth. So here I've turned on the Bluetooth. Now see the magic happen, because when you open the cap, there'll be a Google Fast Pair protocol that comes in, and there'll be a pop-up which you can hit directly and connect to the Realme Buds Air Neo as you're seeing on this phone. And like that, the Realme Buds Air Neo are now connected to your smartphone. Alternatively, you can always go the standard route, open the Bluetooth settings page on your Android or iOS phone like I've done here on the Realme X2 Pro. Turn on Bluetooth, press the pairing button on the Realme Buds Air Neo for 3 seconds, which puts the Realme Buds Air Neo in pairing mode. Hence it shows up, click on the Realme Buds Air Neo and voila, they're connected to your smartphone. Now the Realme Buds Air Neo also supports touch controls. Now how do you use those touch controls? The first thing to know is exactly where to touch. The Realme Buds Air Neo's touch control is right here at the junction between the stick and the earpiece, which is right here in this place. So you always have to know that the touch area on both buds is right here. Also, the touch has been made to a specific level of pressure that is precisely done so that accidentally no touch gestures are triggered. So now that you've seen how to use the touch controls on the Realme Buds Air Neo, the touch controls themselves are quite simple. Simply double tap to pause your music or double tap to play your music back. Triple tap like this, skip to the next track. The Realme Buds Air Neo also has gaming mode, and to activate that you can simply just tap on both earbuds for 2 seconds and you'll hear the sound of a car racing, and that's when you know that you've entered the gaming mode. The gaming mode drops the latency to 119 milliseconds. To get out of the gaming mode, again just hold for 2 seconds both right and left buds, and you'll hear a melody sound and you're out. So the double tap can also help you accept an incoming call, and if you long touch, you can reject that call. So the Realme Buds Air Neo is compatible with Realme Link, which is our AIoT Android app. All you have to do is simply go to the Google Play Store, download the Realme Link app, put it on your phone. When you open the Realme Link app, if you've already connected through Bluetooth, it will automatically be detected. And the Buds Air Neo are now connected to the Realme Link app. Now you can change your functionality any way you want. In fact, even for the long touch, you can add your voice assistant, which would be Google Assistant on an Android phone. Since the Realme Buds Air Neo is a TWS product that is packed with so much technology inside, sometimes it might happen that you might feel something is out of sync, maybe volume from one of the buds is lower. Well, nothing to worry about, because the Buds Air Neo comes with a fix inside it. Simply take the buds out of your ear, put it in the Buds Air Neo case, keep the case open, hold this pairing button for 10 seconds or more till you see this blinking green and red light that you will see here. Just wait for it. This is an indication that the Realme Buds Air Neo are now reset. Now you simply close the cap and the Buds Air Neo are as good as new. So that was a quick tutorial for the Buds Air Neo. I hope this guide helps you set up your Buds Air Neo and enjoy music with no wires and no limits.